In this video, we're going to talk about auto repair scams and how repair shops make you spend more than you really need to. So hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you stay up to date on when new videos come out. Good mechanics are worth their weight in oil. These masters of motors help keep your car in top shape. But don't drain your wallet for each fix. Unfortunately, not all shops are so diligent. Here are 3 common car repair scams and how to avoid them. Number 1. The dirty air filter scam. This is one of the most popular and prevalent car repair scams on the market. It goes like this. You bring your vehicle in for regular maintenance or a much needed repair, and the mechanic tells you that your air filter is filthy. Sometimes he or she is talking about the engine air filter, which keeps dust and debris away from essential moving parts. And sometimes this mechanic is referring to your cabin air filter, which is attached to your car's HVAC system and cleans air coming in through the vents to the passenger and the driver. Don't fall for this one. In both cases, the mechanic tells you just how dirty your filter is and then shows it to you. Inevitably, it will be black and dusty. So what's a scam here? It might not be yours. Some shops keep a dirty filter on hand to trick unsuspecting customers into buying something they don't need. Always make sure the filter you're seeing is the one from your car, and know when your filters need replacement. Cabin air filters, for example, should be replaced every 15 to 20,000 miles, and are usually found in the glove box or under the dash of the passenger front seat. Number 2. The oil change scam. This one is all about upgrades. You go in for an oil change because your car needs it and because it's a great deal, and leave the vehicle in the mechanic's capable hands. Around half an hour later, you get a call and it turns out the simple oil change you needed is not so simple. Here, the idea is to sell you on upgrades. Often you'll be told that your car needs premium or synthetic oil, and that the technician working on it can't use a lower grade without your approval. They'll want you to come back to the shop, speak to a manager, and sign off on your work, all the while talking about potential issues you could encounter using low-cost products. You may also be told that extra problems were uncovered on your vehicle once it went up the hoist. These problems are hard to see, highly technical to describe, and very expensive to fix. Finding a reputable licensed mechanic helps you sidestep this kind of scam. Number 3. The while you were away scam. This scam is often the most expensive. You bring your car in because it's acting up and ask the shop to take a look and get back to you with the results. Instead, you get a call several hours or days later saying a host of problems have been fixed and you owe the company hundreds or thousands of dollars. They may talk about tubes and gaskets, spark plugs, or transmissions, but the bottom line is they want you to pay all of these repairs or they won't let you have your car back. Here's the thing, do not pay for anything you did not authorize. You may owe for the initial quote and labor to investigate the issues, but no garage can do work without your written permission and it cannot hold your car as collateral. If they refuse to return your car, call the police. Fraud and theft are potential consequences for this kind of scam. Unfortunately, this scam continues to work because owners are legitimately scared their vehicles will be taken away if they don't pay. Here's the importance of a good record. Most owners don't use it, but the owner's manual for your vehicle has a handy tracking sheet for recording when your oil changes were completed and at what mileage, along with reminders for other service work such as tire rotations or transmission flushes. Beyond the manual, it's just as critical for you to keep good records of any work done to your vehicle. This way, if a mechanic tries to overcharge you for car repairs, you'll see it coming. You'll know exactly what kind of oil you need, when your air filters were changed, and what type of work has been done to your car over its lifetime. So of course, what's the question here? Have you ever been scammed by an auto repair shop? If so, or if not, what are your tips? Leave a comment down below and let's get a discussion started. And as always, take care of your money. Oh, and one last thing before you go. I created a course called Smart Money Parenting as a way to teach parents how to educate their kids about money. An early financial education is the foundation for wealth building, so give your kids a future they deserve. Use code MONEY20 at checkout to receive 20% off my master course. I'll leave a link to the course down below.